Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my virtual vision board. And I know vision boards are traditionally made where you get together with your friends, your girls, you have drinks, you cut up magazines. But let's say you don't have no magazines. Let's say you don't have time for that. Or let's say you actually want something virtual that you can save as like a screensaver, or you can print it out and put it in like a picture frame on your desk to give you like a neater look. Maybe less junk. Maybe that's on your vision board this year to have less junk. So I'm going to show you how I've actually started to make my vision board virtual or digital. So let's get started. So we're going to be using the app Canva, and we're going to go over to a blank poster. So we're just going to open that up. And so the first thing that I like to add to my vision boards, I like to add the actual year in the middle of my vision board. So when I look at them, I can know which year it's from just by looking at it. So 2022, we're just going to search in elements, and I'm just going to search for the year 2022, or the graphic or a clip art for 2022. And so we're just going to put that right in the middle of our paper. You can do yours whatever you want. You can put it in words, you can put it at the top. I like to put mine in the middle and kind of put my pictures around it. So next I'm going to add the word vision. So I'm looking in the font and I found a font that I like, and I'm just going to change it to say the word vision, and then I'm going to change it to the color that I like. I'm actually going to change it to pink. You can change it to whatever color you want. You don't even have to put the word vision. You could put 2022 aspirations, 2022 goals, but I'm just going to put my 2022 visions, and like I said, I'm going to change it to the color pink. Okay, so now we're just going to start adding our pictures, and you can search right in Elements on Canva, or you can actually import pictures from your phone or Google or Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to say is that we want to save money, right? I think everybody wants to save more money. So we're just looking for a picture in Canva. And so I found like a little coin jar that they're putting money in. So I'm just going to use that picture. And so you'll just use the little blue box to size it and move it to wherever you want it on your poster. Okay, so next, we want to say that we want to lose some weight or get healthier. So I just typed in weight loss, and we're going to look for a picture again in Elements under Canva. And I'm just going to find a picture. And I found like the lady measuring her waist with like a salad. So we're just going to size that, and we're just going to move it to where we want it to go. So next, let's say you want a new car. So we're just going to type that into Elements, and it gives you all these different pictures of cars. But if there's a specific car that you want, you can also go to Google or Instagram, like I said, and you can save that picture to your phone, and you can import maybe a specific car that you want. Next, let's say you want to travel more this year. Again, we're going to go to Elements, and we're going to type in travel. I found a cute little pink passport, and we're going to size that, and we're going to get that on our poster. Let's say it's a specific place you want to go, like Paris. You can also put that into Canva under Elements. We're going to type in Paris, and we're going to find a picture. We found a picture of the Eiffel Tower, and we're going to get that on our poster as well. Next, let's say you want a new house or you want to become a homeowner. So we're going to type in homeowner. So I typed in homeowner and I didn't really like the pictures that came up. So we're going to go back and we're going to type in new home and see what it brings up for us. So I actually did find a picture of a house that I like. That is a nice house. So we're going to get that on our board. But maybe you have a specific house or a specific neighborhood that you want to move in. I would go on Google and I would find a picture of that neighborhood or that house and I would get that right onto my board. So now I'm going to show you how to use pictures from Google to get them into your board as well. So maybe you want to drink more water. I know that's one of my goals for 2022. So I typed in drink more water and I went over to images and I found these little clip art. So I'm going to use this one and just going to save it to my phone. Let's say you want to go natural or you want to start taking better care of your hair. We're going to type in healthy hair. And so we're going to find some hair that actually looks like ours and none of those look like mine. So I'm going to actually put in healthy African American hair since I have went natural recently. And so I found a picture of her. Look at that gorgeous hair, gorgeous skin. We're just going to save that picture of her and we're going to get that onto our board. So maybe you want to get out and try more restaurants, maybe try food from different countries that you've never tried. So I just typed in Indian cuisine because I've never tried Indian food. So we're going to find some pictures of Indian food, which I heard is very good. And so I'm just scrolling till I find one that I like. And I think I like the one that was up on the top. So we're going to scroll back up and then I'm going to save that picture and get it on my board. And that's the fun thing about vision boards. You literally can have any goal, whether it's a huge goal like buying a house or something small like trying Indian food. Okay, let's say you had a bigger food goal, like maybe you wanted to start a plant-based diet, go vegan, go vegetarian. So I found this cute picture I thought was cute with the heart with the fruits and vegetables. So we're going to save that picture to our phone as well. Okay, moving on from food. Let's move on to something more serious. Let's say that you went through a tough time last year. Maybe you got your heart broken and you're trying to heal this year. So we're going to type in heal broken heart and we're going to go through these pictures of these hearts they're like bandages or like they're sewed back together and they're like cartoonish, but they're more of like a symbol of you trying to heal your broken heart this year. And so after we heal that broken heart, let's say you want to find love this year or find love again. So we're going to type in find love and we're going to just find an image that we like and we're also going to save that one. So this time we actually found a quote that we like and it says, love isn't something that you find, it's something that finds you. So we're going to save that quote and we're also going to get that on our vision board. Okay, so now that we have all of our pictures saved to our phone, we're going to open our poster back up. And then when you go to your photos, you'll see all of those recent photos that you just saved to your phone. So we're just going to get those in and we're just going to find a space for them. We're going to size them and make sure they fit. That's the good thing about this. You can move these around to make them fit like almost like a puzzle. So we're just going to get all of those pictures into our vision board in whatever order. You can do sections. Or you can just do it randomly like I'm doing, whatever way you want to do it. You can make it your own. And so I had this picture of this Jeep into my phone because I was having a conversation with one of my friends and she sent me this picture. And so I said, remember I said you can go in and you can find a specific card. And so I'm just going to get that on there because I already had it saved in my phone, just to show you the stock picture that we got from Canva and then the actual Jeep picture that I got from Google. So now I want to show you how you can add actual words as well. It doesn't have to be all pictures. So I'm just going to find a font that I like. And maybe you feel like you've been too serious in the past and you just want to have more fun, let your hair down a little this year. So we're just going to put have more fun. You could put any word. You could put faith, love, peace. You can put whatever words describe how you want your year to be this year. So I'm just going to put have more fun, and I changed that into black, and we're just going to find a space for it. Like I said, you can put any words, you can put scriptures, you can put quotes, you can put names of books or inspirational speakers or just whatever you want. So lastly, we're going to type affirmations. So I just typed in the word affirmation, and then we're going to go to images to see if we can find some affirmations that we can add to our vision board. And so I did find a lot of them just scrolling through, and you kind of read which ones would apply to you. And so I like this one that was in pink that said reminders. I am amazing. I can do anything. I choose to be positive. I know my worth. I will succeed. Perfect. So we're going to save that to our phone, and then we're going to also get that onto our vision board. Okay, so let's say you also want to get deeper into your faith. We're just going to type faith into Canva, and we're going to look at the images, see what we found. And so I found this one of this lady praying, simple to the point. So we're going to use this image and get it onto our vision board. And the last thing we're going to add is maybe you want to learn another language. You want to become bilingual. So we typed into Google bilingual. We're just going to look at the images that come up. And I think I like the one that was back at the top. So we're just going to save that image as well. And we're going to get that last image on our vision board. Okay, so at this point, you can just be done. You can save it to your phone. You can print it out. You can put it in a picture frame, put it on your wall. You can do whatever you want with your new vision board. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually change the background if you didn't want the background to be white. So you're actually just going to go down to the bottom of your screen and you will see backgrounds, and we're just going to pick a background that we like. And we're actually just going to highlight the whole picture, which you'll see the blue box around the whole picture, and then you just press replace and you can change the background like that. So that was like a wood grain type. So then I went with this light pink, and I think I like the light pink one. So we're just going to save that. So now let's say you want to turn it into a screensaver or a wallpaper for your phone. We're actually going to go to a blank Instagram story post, and then we're actually going to put our poster that we made into that. And so once we kind of size it, get it as large as we want, we're going to go in and put that blue box around it again and change the background to the same background of the actual poster that we made. And so if you actually do it as a screensaver or a wallpaper, you'll have more space to put more pictures at the top or the bottom. So for time's sake, I'm just going to save it and show you. And then we're going to go and we're going to scroll down and turn it into a wallpaper. And this is how you will save it, as like your screensaver or your wallpaper on your phone, so you can look at it every day, kind of remind you of what you're supposed to be working towards this year. Again, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year.